best to keep me on your mind, but I know all the things you meant when you said that we'd fight. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons needed something. I won't be leaving you open, that I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't worry. I don't know where you go, don't need to know more. Let this go. Let me get this off my conscience.